This is our yellow fufu. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. In this video I'm going to show you how I'm going to prepare this yellow fufu. This is my fufu powder. Okay, how we prepare it is on my YouTube channel. So I blend it powder. Okay, so here is my condo with shafts. So this is red oil. I want to put the coin here, the condo. This corn, it come with shafts, okay? So hot water. See the texture of this. This is our yellow fufu. It's ready. So I want to put the fire. So beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. This is our yellow fufu. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share and like, comment, and see you while we'll be eating our fufu. Bye bye. Mwah.